Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with TechOut. Today we're going to be taking a look at some must-have accessories for your new iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max. I have the iPhone 11 Pro for a demonstration in this video. So I have some cases laid out here. The brands range from Spec to Patchworks to Rinky. Some of my favorite brands here. All these cases were sent to me for review, but all opinions are my own, and all these cases are ones that I use daily. So the one example I have from Spec here is the Presidio Pro. I also have the Stay Clear right here, and the one that is currently on my phone is the Presidio Grip, one of my favorite cases. The case does look purple with my LED light. It is not a purple case. This case is a navy blue or a dark blue. I know it looks kind of like a neon purple in the video for some reason. But these are some of my favorite cases. I haven't used the Rinky clear one yet because I am using the Presidio Stay Clear, so I didn't want to take the protective film off that one just yet and get it all dirty. Another thing we have here is my Apple AirPods 2nd generation in the wireless charging case. Definitely a must-have accessory for any iOS device. They pair flawlessly, effortlessly, and they're just a breeze to use and very convenient to have. So those are my AirPods 2 2nd generation. I'll link all this stuff down in the description to Amazon. Amazon actually has a really good deal on the AirPods. They are usually discounted from what Apple or most retailers will sell them at, which is good because you usually don't find Apple products at a discount. So without further ado, we're going to actually check these cases out. I'm going to put each one of them on my phone just so you guys can see how they look on the device and see if there is one you may consider purchasing. So first things first is on my iPhone. Let me just wipe the screen down real quick so you guys don't complain about the fingerprints and stuff, as you always do. So right here is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have a Spigen Glaster Easy Fit screen protector on there. I think that's how you pronounce it. Again, it will be linked in the description below. Very good screen protector, very easy install. It comes with a little applicator so you can line it up perfectly the first time, and you don't have to worry about your screen protector being off to the left or the right or the top or the bottom and annoying you when you use it. So first case, like I said, is my Presidio Grip. This has been one of my favorite cases ever since back in the iPhone 4S days. My first iPhone, I had one of these cases, and they always hold up phenomenally well, and they're very easy to grip in your hand. They feel really good in your hand and give you a nice grip of your device. So we're going to take that one off. That is the one I have been using most recently. But we're just going to go from the top here and work our way down. I'm probably going to take a bunch of screenshots of my screen taking these cases on and off. Second is the Patchworks. This is their wallet case. So you can put some cards in the back here.
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri, shut up. This one is blue. This one is their level wallet. It has 3 cards, and it also has a stand, which I'm not sure exactly how the stand works. But anyway, it has a stand, it says. I don't know where it is. Maybe that. But it doesn't come out, so I don't know. I'm not going to play with that right now. But that is their wallet case. You can put 3 cards in there. It's a good case. I'm not a huge fan of it, though. Not because of this particular case or anything. I'm just not a big fan of wallet cases like this because they add a lot of bulk to the device. I prefer my device to be slim and stuff like that. So I usually don't use wallet cases. If I do, it's like the Apple Folio case or something like that that just covers the screen. Next we have the Patchworks. This is just their solid back case. It is, hold on, I'll show you the box in 1 second. Snaps on very easy. Just a hard plastic back. This is their Level ITG Daily Damage Defense for the iPhone 2019 6.5, aka the Pro Max. That's what it looks like though. Hard plastic back with a rubber ring around the edge, so you get pretty good screen protection there. And then you have your rubber inside to make it a little bit flexible. Nice case right there. And I took another screenshot. Right here we have the Spec Presidio Pro. So this is similar to the Presidio Grip, it just doesn't have the grips on the back of it. So right here, just a flat hard plastic back, kind of flexible. Go ahead and throw the phone in there. I actually haven't used this case yet because I've been, like I said, I've been using the Presidio grip, and I want to keep some of these new for later. But nice case, very minimal, but great protection as you'd expect from a spec case. So that's how that one looks. Also, I'm not really showing the ports and everything on the bottom because everything lines up perfectly fine. No issues there whatsoever. All your buttons are fine in all of these cases. So I'm not really showing that. I'm kind of just showing what it looks like on the phone. And let's see, did I take another screenshot? Yes, I did. I think I've taken a screenshot every case so far. So I'm just going to throw that one back in the box right there. Right here we have the spec Stay Clear. This case is guaranteed not to yellow, guaranteed to stay clear, or they will replace it. So this one actually has a matte kind of back. I know the phone is a matte back, so it's kind of hard to tell. But the case, I'll show you when I take it off, kind of has this weird design on it, and that helps keep it clean and keep it from yellowing and everything like that. All the spec cases are microbian protected, so they do have antimicrobial protection on them, which is part of the new Spec Pro line. Let's see. So you can kind of see there, it's kind of a glazed back, and that just helps it stay clear and clean. Next up is the Rinky case right here. Kind of like a brushed metal back. It is not metal though, it is rubber plastic material, so it is flexible. But that is what it looks like on the device. You have metal aluminum looking buttons right there for both your volume and your power. It's a very nice case. This one's pretty thin, feels good in the hand, kind of got squared edges to make it easy to hold. I'm not going to put that one on, like I said, because I haven't taken the plastic off of it yet. It looks pretty similar to the Spec Stay Clear, but it is a Rinky case, same as these two. I've been using this one a lot lately as well. One of my favorites. Another Rinky case right here. Very nice case, very good grips on it, and it looks good on the back as well. So very nice cases from Rinky, Spec, and Patchworks right here. Again, I will link all these down in the description so you can pick these up. Some of my favorites in there is my iPhone XS Max with no case on. This has been Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.